Man, my desk's gonna get ruined from setting all these drinks on it. If I only had some drink coasters. Man, where can I get some drink coasters? Wait, I can make some drink coasters. This is a job for the Ultimaker. All right, guys, it's time to print some drink coasters to protect my majestic desk that I have before me, which actually isn't a desk at all. It's an IKEA dinner table that seats like 10 people. Because what else are you going to find that fits three 46-inch monitors? So I wanted to find some drink coasters that were badass and worthy of a nerdgasm, and I did just that. I kind of went with an 8-bit theme, so I'm going to go ahead and give a shout out to one of my latest Twitter followers, 8-Bit Brit, another avid gaming enthusiast. But I went and found a pack of 8-bit themed coasters that I want to print on the Ultimaker. So we're going to go ahead and open up Cura, which is the software for Ultimaker, for basically splitting the files up and making them into G-code, which then the printer then processes it into a toolpath to actually print the thing out. So right here you can see we have the holder for the drink coasters. This one in particular holds 4 coasters, and it itself is themed after the question block from Super Mario Brothers, which is actually really, really cool. So that's our holder. I've already got that copied to the memory card, so we can go ahead and delete that out of the way. And the first drink coaster that we're going to entertain here is Boo. Everybody knows Boo from Mario Brothers, right? In the whorehouse, it'd be like, Boo. He didn't really make any noises like that, but he was the little shit that chased you when you weren't looking at him. And then if you looked at him, he'd freeze and be like, what? Well, what'd I do? Anyways, that's Boo. We're going to go ahead and print him out because he's a very, very recognizable character. So let's go ahead and get rid of him. And then, of course, we have to print out a creeper, right? I mean, creepers are kind of my thing. I love creepers. You can see right here on my desk, I've got, my big creeper and my mini creeper. It's like, I love these guys. Fucking best character ever. So that's my creeper. We're going to go ahead and get rid of him because he is already on the memory card and ready to go. And then, of course, we need everybody's favorite vacuum from the 80s, Mr. Kirby. Here, everybody loves Kirby, right? 80s or 90s, shit, I don't even remember. You guys can correct me on it down in the comments. But there's Kirby. Everybody loves Kirby, right? Kirby's awesome. And last but certainly not least, let's go with Legend of Zelda Octorok, because Octorok is badass. Anybody that's played Legend of Zelda has had numerous things hurled at him from the mouth of this creature. So I thought that he'd be a suiting number 4. So that's what we're going to print. So we're going to print the holder, and we're going to print these 4 things. So let's go ahead and get the memory card over to the Ultimaker. Well, guys, now I got some drink coasters, so I don't have to worry about messing up my desk anymore. Like a boss. And if I have friends over, I've got drink coasters for days, for everyone. And a nice little holder. So at some point I'll probably do some painting on them. I'll probably put some felt on the bottom so that they can slide across the surface a little bit easier, or have a little more resistance. They slide around pretty easy right now. But all in all, I think they're fantastic. I think they turned out absolutely excellent, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope this gave you a nerdgasm. I actually had a couple laughs making it, and that's always good. So, guys, please leave your comments down below. Let me know if you like what I'm doing, and I'll keep on doing it. So, till next time. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, favor, and subscribe. It helps me a bunch. Also, come follow me on Facebook and Twitter. I love interacting with you guys. So I don't have to do it again. You can see down there at the bottom it says saved as USB stick caps card holder belfry _2 _ shitload of numbers, more numbers, and some more gibberish.g code. So let's go ahead and fire that up on the 3D printer and turn this little 3D model into something physical we can use.